everyone, this is Shantika and welcome back to my channel Learn with Shantika. So this video is for them who are struggling to start reading a book to improve their English, but they're unable to do so. Or if you want to explore the reading world, but you are unable to do so because you don't understand, or just because you don't feel that interest. The journey of a bibliophile depends mainly on the book he or she has started reading. A good book reflects a lot on the bibliophile. So, to start your reading journey, you need some good books so that you can continue your journey. So, I am here to suggest you some books that you need to begin with. Okay, I want to tell you all that no matter what age you are, if you haven't started reading yet, then you should start with the children's book. Then you can move on to the next level, but I will suggest you, this is based on purely on suggestion. I can suggest you, if you don't want to, you can move on to any other books, but if you want to, then I will suggest you to start from the children's book. And first I want to tell you about these famous stories from Grandma's Tale. I am not telling you to read exactly this book, but there are many types of book in the market that has similar time, that is of similar time. They are usually of short stories and they have a moral in it. This short stories makes you gain interest in the story, and if you think that this is too childish for you, then I will suggest you to read The Blue Umbrella by Ruskin Bond. We know that Ruskin Bond is a children's author, so this is the second suggestion book that I will tell you. Then the third one is a very interesting. I suggested you this because this is very thin and I think you will gain interest. Then the next is The Charlie and the Chocolate Factory by Roald Dahl. This is a very interesting book, and of course it is a type of novel. You can go for this too. Then Matilda by Roald Dahl, the fourth suggestion. Matilda by Roald Dahl. This is also a very interesting book. And then at last, I have another suggestion, The Wimpy Kid. This has always been my favorite. This is a book that is written like a diary of a kid. And it just takes one day to just finish this book, and I think this is very funny, this is very interesting. And not only this, we have a series of Wimpy Kid. So you can finish one book and then jump onto the other. So this is my suggestion, Wimpy Kid, and you can read any Wimpy Kid book. There are many series, I guess there are more than 15 books. And then at last, my favorite, and I know there are a lot of followers, Harry Potter. If you really want to start your reading journey, I will suggest you to go with Harry Potter. This Harry Potter series, we all know, is so interesting, and if you are worried that you have seen the movie and how can you read again, you will not gain interest, it is not at all like that. Books are way different from the movies. So if you are wanting to start your reading journey, so these are the books that I suggest you to read, and these are based solely on the children's book. And if you all want another suggestion, a little grown-up books for adults, then I can suggest them too. If you comment, I will definitely make a video on this. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and I think the video will be very helpful to you. And if you do find it helpful, give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.